To dance. First, listen for the beat of the music. The beat is usually carried by the drums and the bass. Most dance music is written with 4 beats per measure, with drum and bass elements repeating every 4 beats. Listen for these repetitions to find the beat. Once you find the beat, try the head nod by simply nodding your head to it. Next, practice swaying your upper body and moving your arms slightly to the beat. After you're comfortable moving your upper body, add a basic step touch with your feet. Every time you hear the beat, step 1 foot to the other, shifting most of your weight onto 1 foot. Keep your knees loose and slightly bent while you find your rhythm. Continue by moving your feet back and forth to the beat of the music. Move your arms while you step in a way that feels natural. Whatever kind of dance you're doing, focus on having fun, instead of worrying about if your moves are perfect, since that's what dancing is all about.